back at it again with unboxing yet another pair of the amazing OnePlus Buds Z, but this time it's the Stephen Harrington edition. This is Roddy with DirectDMedia. Let's get to it. I've learned my lesson from the last OnePlus Buds Z unboxing video, so I didn't bring my knife today. If you haven't seen it, be sure to check it out. Put a link in the description below. I've gushed a lot about OnePlus's packaging skills, and I will gush again today. The combination of the lilac and the mint green is a lot different from the red that we're used to from them, but it's still super aesthetically pleasing. On the side, it tells us its features, which are base boost, 20 hours of battery life, water and sweat resistance, comfortable and cool design, and seamless connection. On the other side, we have Stephen Harrington's signature. While I unbox these earbuds, I'll give you guys a little intro to the artist himself. Stephen Harrington is a Los Angeles-based multimedia artist whose unique designs have been featured in collaborations with many, and I mean many, brands across the world. He's worked with people like Nike, IKEA, Snapchat, Beats by Dr. Dre, and so many more. It's really hard to miss his work. They kind of remind me of psychedelic, old-school rubber hose cartoons, like the old Disney shorts and Fleischer shows. You can even tell by looking at what's shown on the box itself. His character is like Mellow with the bow tie, and his new character Cool Cat are there. I just can't wait to see them up close. And here it is, ready to be opened. Ooh, okay, immediately I'm just so awestruck. This looks insanely cool. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. This is the content of the OnePlus Buds Z Stephen Harrington edition. Let's look at what else they have in the box before we delve more into the OnePlus Buds Z themselves. Pops up nicely, and look at this surprise. Underneath, we have the lilac making an appearance. The packaging that holds the OnePlus Buds Z case has all of Stephen Harrington's designs on it. Inside the mint box, we have the accessories under the tab that says Buds for Life. Underneath the accessories packaging is a very sleek and stylish rendition of the OnePlus tagline, Never Settle. These color combinations, the simplicity and the arrangement, OnePlus! Oh, my little art geek heart can't take all of this, it's so cool! Oh, and the palm trees are some of Steve Harrington's iconic designs. It's very California-esque. And just look at the casing for the OnePlus Buds Z Stephen Harrington edition. It's split from the top and bottom. It's mint on the top, lilac at the bottom, and it has all his designs covered all around with the OnePlus logo. Now time to open it and reveal the earbuds themselves. It looks super striking, super unique. And like the casing itself, it's also split in half. One earbud is mint green, whereas the other one is lilac. They sort of mirror each other in a way that the mint one has purple caps or lilac caps, whereas the lilac one has green caps. Without further ado, let's give these earbuds a try. And since each bud is its own color, it's perfect for someone like me who can't tell their directions. The right one is the lilac bud, whereas the left one is the mint bud. Now let's see how it looks. So what do you guys think? Pretty stylish, huh? You really can't expect anything less from OnePlus. And their collaboration with Stephen Harrington, it seems like the perfect match. Just wearing them makes me feel like I'm way cooler than I actually am. If you guys are interested in finding out more about the OnePlus Buds Z Stephen Harrington edition, be sure to follow us on our social media to be the first in the know and to find out if or when these will arrive at the Malaysian market. This is Roddy with DirectDMedia. Thanks so much for watching!